There is good news for millions of government job aspirants in India. Soon they wouldn't have to take different exams that are conducted by various agencies for government and public sector jobs. The Union Cabinet, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, approved a plan to set up a National Recruitment Agency, also known as NRA, on Wednesday. This agency will conduct an online common eligibility test, also known as CET. Based on the CET score, a candidate can apply for a vacancy with the respective agency. Let's look at the benefits of the NRA test. CET will allow job seekers to take one common test and save costs and time spent on writing multiple exams. It will be an online Tier 1 examination which will screen and shortlist candidates for non-gazetted or non-technical posts under Group B and C categories. It will be conducted twice a year. NRA will have representatives from recruitment agencies such as Staff Selection Commission, Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, and Railways Recruitment Board. The test will be conducted for 3 levels: graduate, higher secondary, and the matriculate candidates. Based on the screening done at the CET score level, final selection for recruitment will be made through separate specialized tiers of examination which shall be conducted by the respective recruitment agencies. The curriculum for CET would be common. To make it easier for candidates, examination centers would be set up in every district of the country. Every district has at least one exam center. CET score is valid for 3 years from the date of declaration of the result. Best available score during 3 years will be the current score. There will be no restrictions on the number of attempts to appear in the CET, but it will be subject to the upper age limit. However, the relaxation in the upper age limit shall be given to candidates of SC, ST, OBC and other categories as per the extant policy of the government. The CET will be conducted in 12 languages that are in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. NRA will benefit around 25 million aspirants who apply for multiple government jobs and exams every year separately. The government believes that the new setup will reduce the burden of students and job aspirants and give better opportunities to rural, underprivileged candidates and more choices for job seekers, especially women.